Welcome to the 1031 Exchange Passive Income and Investment Series. This show is brought to you by 1031navigator.com. 1031 Navigator is the best way to plan, execute, and complete your 1031 exchange with peace of mind and confidence while saving you both time and money.
Hey everybody, Thomas Morgan here with 1031 Navigator. Hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I've done a closing update. I'm not sure how long, but I think there's a bunch of deals we haven't talked about that we've recently closed. If you want pricing information or cap rate information or why these clients bought these deals or how we sold these deals, some of them I did do some seller rep on. Almost all of them were 1031s, but we did an O'Reilly Auto Parts in Georgia, done 4 Dollar Generals. 3 of them were in the Southeast. 1 was in Ohio. We did a mattress firm in Minnesota, a Gerber auto collision in North Carolina, a Pizza Hut. That was a short-term deal in Mississippi, high cap rate, like a 12 cap deal. ABC Supply Roofing Company in Alabama. Did another Hardees in Alabama, and then also closed a Family Dollar in North Carolina. Getting ready to close a O'Reilly in Florida this week, and also in escrow on a 7-Eleven and a Firestone for part of a $8 million 1031 exchange that we're wrapping up, and also under contract on a Fleet Pride big truck repair center. And then we're off to the races on a new $27 million 1031. We're going to be putting together a big portfolio of Dollar Generals, Firestones, and maybe a drugstore or 2, depending on how it shakes out with cap rate. And that's an interesting deal because they're going from basically only $300,000 to $400,000 of net income on that. It's actually about $26 million. After fees and whatnot, and we're going to be able to put them into at least $500,000 of net income, and depending on how we work the deals, might even go as high as like $700,000 of net income. So if you have deals out there and you want to sell them, if you're a broker, please send them our way. And then we also have another client who's going to be in a $6 million 1031 selling an apartment building, and he's looking at doing 2 or 3 deals to diversify, like we've talked about in other episodes. So that's a closing update. Definitely been busy, a lot of 1031s. If you want a free 1031 consultation to assess your sale or what you're working on, you can go to 1031navigator.com/free. Again, 1031navigator.com/free. I'd be happy to talk to you about what you have going on and see if a 1031 makes sense for you, and see if triple net properties and whatnot make sense for you as well. And again, if you want cap rate information or sale price information, you can hit me up from the website, or you can text me or call me, 970-618-4086. Again, 970-618-4086, and hope you're having a great week.
Thanks for listening to the 1031 Exchange Passive Income and Investment Series. To help create, grow, and protect your wealth with 1031 exchanges and triple net properties, visit 1031navigator.com or call 1-866-539-1777. Again, call 1-866-539-1777. Make sure to remember to ask Thomas about our 1031 VIP program. You can put thousands of dollars in your pocket on your next 1031. If you enjoyed the show, be sure to subscribe, rate, and review it where your podcasts are peddled. And if you have a friend considering a 1031, make sure to share this show with them. A referral is the best compliment we can receive. Thanks for listening, and see you again soon. And remember, this show is provided for your informational and educational purposes only. Be sure to check with your accountant, lawyer, and/or other tax professionals and advisors before relying on this information. Although the information contained herein is believed to be accurate and reliable, we do not guarantee its accuracy or completeness, and it is provided without warranty. Common sense is the best practice.